usually don't get irritated, but today Apple Store and Apple company managed to actually get those, emotions from me, where after 3 weeks of trying to get verified, we put our mobile application for money management to Apple Store to get verified, and after 3 weeks they told us, well, I'm sorry, but we cannot verify you because the name of the company that you are running is different than the name of the application, and for financial applications the name has to be the same. So over 3 weeks we were chatting, they were asking different questions, they were, trying to find out what's going on and all of that stuff, and now they decided, well, maybe let's ask this question, because it didn't make sense to actually notice that and ask that at the beginning and tell us about that 3 weeks ago, which in my opinion should be one of the first steps, because it's kind of like, no-brainer that if you cannot do it, you cannot do it. I obviously could go and read through all of their documents, which is hundreds, thousands of pages of different documents, and find that one small paragraph, 2 lines exactly, that states that this is not acceptable. But yeah, I didn't. So there is a fault on my side as well, but from my perspective, it could be done so much more efficiently, from their side, and unfortunately it wasn't really. So far wasted 3 weeks, and so right now either I can change the name of the company, I can create new company and update a new company to the Apple Store, then create the new Apple Store account that will cost $100. I can also try to, I think, change the name of the Apple's developer account. But yeah, I just got a little bit irritated because it took them such a long time, where we actually went through all of those questions with them over the past 2 weeks, and we finally get to the point where they didn't really have anything to, ask for, so they asked for it, and they told us, well, actually, so Apple, please, if you can, just put that as a first point to ask questions like that, because they are no-brainers, and nothing else really matters if this is not correct, and it's not correct on our side. So I decided to actually change all of that stuff, and hopefully finally we'll release it. But the problem is that it's been such a long time, and I was really hoping that by the end of this week we will manage to release it to Apple Store. And it's another week, and it's just taking so much time that I don't feel like it really is necessary, especially not at this point in time. But again, there was a little bit of fault of ours as well along the side over those 2 weeks, especially this week. Some technology problems, so it's not all on them, it's a little bit on us as well, but still it could be much faster. But yeah, thanks to that, I guess all of the Apple Store applications, you can be sure that they are actually properly checked, and there will be less scam, I guess, because there always is some scam. So yeah, that's what I was really doing over the afternoon. During the day, I finally managed to do quite a lot of marketing, which I'm super happy. I still need to set up, I think, 2 days of marketing because I'm going away for the weekend, so I need to have the marketing until Monday, so then on Sunday I can come back, and then, on Monday morning I can come back and create the whole marketing for Tuesday, Wednesday and the rest of the weeks. But it's going so much smoother right now, so much quicker. I have all of those systems in place, and I'm following the steps right now, and it's just nice. I'm correcting simple, small stuff here and there, but there is it doesn't take so much time right now to create all of those processes, which is amazing. That's why I spent last really 2.5 weeks also on creating those stuff, so now I can accelerate and be way more efficient than I was so far. So yeah, that was really my day. Thank you very much for joining me today, and as always, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.